Comair 2720 cleared visual approach runway 27 left. Maintain current altitude until established on the localizer. Cleared ILS runway 27 left. Comair 2720. United 924 Heavy. Contact London Heathrow Tower on 118.5. Airport in sight. Comair 2720.
Contacting London Heathrow Tower on 118.5. United 924 Heavy.
Thank you. Good day. Turkish 26. Comair 2720 contact London Heathrow Tower on 118.5. Contacting London Heathrow Tower on 118.5 Comair 2720. Heathrow Director, United 228 with you at 2700. United 228, turn left heading 240. Turn left heading 240, United 228. United 228, resume on navigation. Resume on navigation, United 228. Ryanair 241 Super, turn right heading 070, descend and maintain 2500. Turn right heading 070, descend and maintain 2500, Ryanair 241 Super. Turkish 26, say intentions. United 228, contact London Heathrow Tower on 118.5. Turkish 26 is 4 nautical miles south of Clacton at 20,500 feet, requesting visual approach runway 27 right at London Heathrow. Contacting London Heathrow Tower on 118.5, United 228. Roger, Turkish 26. Thank you, Turkish 26.
2500.
Turkish 26, expect vectors for the visual approach runway 9 left at London Heathrow. Turkish 26, continue as filed, expect the visual approach runway 27 right at London Heathrow. Ryanair 241 Super, turn left heading 350. Ryanair 241 Super, resume on navigation. Resume on navigation, Ryanair 241 Super. Holding short run. London Heathrow Tower Ryanair 241 Super, inbound on the ILS runway 27 left. Air India 120 Super, wind 040 at 5 number 1, runway 27 left, clear to land. Number 1, clear to land runway 27 left, Air India 120 Super. London Heathrow Tower Siberian 1231 Super, ready for departure at runway 27 left, departing straight out. November 125 Charlie Romeo, wind 040 at 5 runway 27 left, cleared for takeoff. London Heathrow Tower Ryanair 241 Super, inbound on the ILS runway 27 left. London Heathrow Tower Emirates 009 Heavy, ready for departure at runway 27 left, remaining in the pattern. London Heathrow Tower, JetBlue 307 Mike Heavy, ready for departure at runway 9 right, departing straight out. United 228, exit runway, when able contact ground on the taxiway.
London Heathrow Tower, United 924 Heavy, inbound on the ILS runway 27 left.
London Heathrow Tower Ryanair 241 Super, inbound on the ILS runway 27 left. Stand by, Emirates 009 Heavy. United 924 Heavy, wind 040 at 5 number 1, runway 27 left, clear to land. London Heathrow Tower, Akasa Air 291 ready for departure in sequence at runway 27 left, departing straight out. JetBlue 307 Mike Heavy, stand by.
Number 1, cleared to land, runway 27 left, United 924 Heavy.
Stand by, JetBlue 307 Mike Heavy. Akasa Air 291, line up and wait runway 27 left. Line up and wait runway 27. London Heathrow Tower Ryanair 241 Super, inbound on the ILS runway 27 left. Jet Airways 1115. Ryanair 241 Super, wind 040 at 5 number 1, runway 27 left, clear to land. Virgin 241 Heavy, line up and wait runway 27 left.
Line up and wait runway 27 left, Virgin 241 Heavy.
1000.
Executing missed approach, no. Ryanair 241 Super is on final runway 27 left, full stop. London Heathrow Tower, November 782 Lima Mike is 9 nautical miles to the northwest at 3,800 feet, inbound for landing. London Heathrow Tower Zulu Mike Oscar Oscar Heavy, ready for departure at runway 27 right, departing straight out.
500.
London Heathrow Tower Speedbird 654, inbound on the ILS runway 27 right.
400.
Zulu Mike Oscar Oscar Heavy, continue taxi.
300.
London Heathrow Tower, JetBlue 307 Mike Heavy, ready for departure at runway 9 right, departing straight out.
200.
Virgin 241 Heavy, stand by. London Heathrow Tower, November 782 Lima Mike is 8 nautical miles to the west at 2,000 feet,
30.
inbound for landing.
20.
JetBlue 307 Mike Heavy, stand by. Ryanair 241 Super, roger. London Heathrow Tower, Jet Airways 1115 is 3 nautical miles to the east at 800 feet, Ryanair 241 Super exit runway enable contact ground on the taxiway. London Heathrow Tower, November 782 Lima Mike is 5 nautical miles to the west at 1,200 feet, inbound for landing. Local Ryanair 241 Super. I'm sorry, Siberian 1231 Super. Virgin 241 Heavy, stand by.
Boeing 1315 Heavy.
London Heathrow ground, November 264 Delta uniform, ready for pushback. Pushback approved, tail to the south JetBlue 307. London Heathrow ground, Jet Airways Bird 1 Heavy, hold position. Siberian 1231 Super, contact London Heathrow Tower on 118.5. Contacting London Heathrow Tower on 118.5, Siberian 1231 Super. London Heathrow. Inbound for landing, requesting runway 27 left. London Heathrow Tower, JetBlue 307 Mike Heavy, ready for departure at runway 9 right, departing straight out. Line up and wait runway 27 left, Siberian 1231 Super.
Thank you for flying Ryanair. Last year, over 90% of our flights arrived on time. We hope you enjoyed yours, and we look forward to welcoming you on board again soon. Ryanair. Low fares, made simple.